Want people around the world to hear your videos in their own language? Here's how to enable auto-dubbing on your YouTube channel. Open your computer and go to the YouTube website, then log into your channel. Once you're in, click your profile picture at the top right and select YouTube Studio from the menu. Inside YouTube Studio, look at the left-hand menu and scroll down to find Settings in the bottom left corner. Click it and a new window will appear. Now select the Upload Defaults tab from the left panel and then click on the Advanced Settings tab. Scroll down until you see the Automatic Dubbing section. To allow YouTube to translate and generate voiceovers in other languages, simply check the box that says Allow Automatic Dubbing. Finally, click Save in the bottom right corner. From now on, your new uploads can include AI-generated voiceovers in different languages, making your content more accessible and helping you reach a global audience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart creator tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.